this distinguished gentleman. Look at him.
Hey y'all. So we scoured the internet and found there's not enough content and not nearly enough shameless self-promotion. So we thought we would make another video.
So specifically, we got a comment from Adam. Adam says, awesome video. I'm starting the process to do the exact same build off one of the islands off of Vancouver. Very cool. Wondering if you'd be open to sharing more in detail the cost to ship the Avrame Trio, as well as what the total interior finishing costs are going to be.
Wouldn't you like to know, Adam?
He would, that's what he asked. So we are going to break down the bid that we got from our builder. Obviously, prices are gonna vary from state to state or city to city, and this is specifically for an Avrame Trio 120, but I feel like I could give you guys, if you're not doing an Avrame Trio 120, a general idea of the costs of all the different parts of building.
Would it be easier to just post a list online? Yes. Would that be as fun? No.
And also, like, there's research that says that people don't like to read anymore, so.
Long form content is dead.
Well, no, we're doing them a favor. Seriously.
You're welcome. You're welcome, YouTube.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, Internet.
All right, first up is planning, permits, and documents. That includes building permits and fees, environmental compliance, site setup, and temporary power. Altogether, that's running us about $5,900.
The next on the list is rentals. That's heavy equipment, waste management, and porta facilities for $5,300. That's $5,000 for a bathroom.
And like cranes, which are very important.
Gotta go to the bathroom.
The most expensive item on this list is the Avrame Trio 120 kit. We opted for the full kit. That includes structural beams, structural steel, trusses, architectural and engineering, windows and exterior doors and a door package, skylights, a framing package, roofing, flooring, interior wood panel, and trim. And that is gonna run us $103,000. Now for other people, this might be slightly less expensive because we wanted the full window wall, which added 17 grand. Yeah, but it's gonna be worth it. Like, we have so many beautiful trees.
So worth it.
Like, why would we not have a window wall, especially in the winter?
It's gonna be worth it. When you're here, your family.
I don't know what's going on, but
You like the way you look. I guarantee it.
I'm happy about the window wall. That's all I'm gonna say. Move forward.
Anyway, here's one goal.
Some of the things that we added increased the cost. Like, this doesn't include the initial deposit of $2,500 that's required by Avrame. And then we had to pay some additional costs for engineering and changes to the floor plan. Like, we mirrored the floor plan, and then we added the window wall and a balcony off the master. You're welcome. And a very large deck.
Huge deck.
Okay.
So next on the list is site work. That's drawing the well, excavating the land, removing a few trees, connecting the land to the grid, sewage, septic, and the driveway. And that's gonna run us about $36,000.
Yikes. Side note, we're trying to cut down as few trees as possible.
Love trees.
We obviously bought the land because of all the beautiful trees on
Shout
it.
out to trees.
We've also got interior finishes and labor. So that includes literally everything inside the house, everything we picked out, paint, flooring, cabinets, appliances. Dang, I was trying to flow like in a list, and then my mind was like,
yep.
Yeah, all the stuff, interior trim, and the labor. So the dudes who do that stuff.
A lot of dudes.
Who put that stuff in, it's the cost to hire those dudes.
Guys being dudes.
The price of that is $56,000. Hey, it hurts. Sometimes it hurts to like say it out loud. We're in it though. We're doing it. Getting her done.
Yikes.
Okay, the next item is the shell build. That includes framing labor, exterior siding, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, water heater, roofing, and insulation. That's gonna cost us $53,000.
Oh.
$53,700.
Look at that.
Yeah, so I think I personally underestimated the cost of building a house before we started this. I don't know about you.
It's the cost of doing business.
Last, we've got exterior finishes, which is mainly the deck, and that's gonna cost around $6,000. Okay, that brings our grand total to
$267,000.
yeah. That does not include the price of the land. So, for anyone who has that question, this is expensive. So let's talk about the price of lumber and labor right now. The price of lumber has exponentially skyrocketed since the beginning of the pandemic due to like sawmills not operating at full capacity, and also people just all building at the same time and doing home projects and all of that stuff.
Supply and demand.
Supply and demand, my dude. If we would have been able to start building this house at the time when we were ready to, which was last summer, we would have paid a normal price for lumber and materials, and we're gonna pay significantly more this year to get the same amount of materials for the house, which is actually so frustrating. So we're gonna keep you guys updated on the way we deal with the problem of the increasing price of lumber and the lack of labor available.
Spoiler alert, we're probably just gonna throw money at it.
Which is rough. That sucks. Good boy. So first I want to give you guys a pup date. So this little stinky is getting huge. He's like 30 pounds now, which is like half of his adult weight. Nearly bites my finger off after every time I give him a treat. Oh, I did realize that we forgot to answer part of Adam's question, which was how much does it cost to ship the Avrame Trio? The quote that we got from Avrame was $8,800. That is the quote for 2 flatbed trucks. That's shipping from Utah to Michigan. So I'm gonna assume that's similar for anywhere on the East Coast, but I'm sure it will differ based on where your property is located. I just got off the phone with the zoning commission, and the good news is of the many steps of the building permit process, we are nearing the end. So the permit is with the zoning department right now, and after that it just has to go to the building safety department, and then we are good to go. Our next video is going to be from Northern Michigan. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you there.